Hello, guys. Does your AI voiceover sound a little robotic? Flat, with no emotion, and sentences that run together? In this video, I'll show you two simple tools inside Murf.ai to add natural pauses and emphasis, making your audio sound much more human. First, go to Murf.ai. The link is in the description. Let's start with pauses. When you're in the Murf editor, you'll see an Add Pause button right above your script. You can choose from preset options like weak, medium, or strong, which correspond to different lengths. For instance, let's take the sentence, "This is my first test. This is my second test." Without a pause, it sounds rushed. Now, I'll place my cursor between the sentences, click Add Pause, and select medium. Let's generate it again. Hear that? The small break gives the listener time to process the information. It sounds much more natural. But what about adding emotion or highlighting a key word? That's where emphasis comes in. Just highlight the single word you want to stress in your script. A menu will pop up. Click on Emphasis. Let's use the sentence. This is an incredibly powerful feature. By emphasizing the word incredibly, the AI puts more energy into it, just like a person would. It grabs the listener's attention. The real magic happens when you combine both. Consider this sentence. With these tools, you can create truly professional audio. I added a medium pause after tools and put emphasis on the word truly. This combination controls both the pacing and the emotion of the delivery. By using these simple features, you can transform a flat script into a dynamic and engaging voiceover. If this tip helps you sound more professional, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.